Hello, my name is Luis Estrada, and I'm a software developer. In this video, we are talking about how to earn cash online. We will mainly discuss the advertising revenue model because it is the easiest to implement and it is currently the most popular on the web. Advertisers have a few options to pay for publicity space. Advertisers can pay per each 1,000 impressions of a certain banner. This is called CPM. CPM prices vary depending on the format, size, and location of the banners. Other important factors include the demographics of the website's visitors. CPM rates vary from 10 cents up to $30. CPC, or cost per click, is another popular way of buying publicity. Advertisers only pay when someone clicks on the ad. So if you display a banner 100,000 times, but none of your visitors click on it, then you do not make any money. Pay-per-click revenue is usually higher than CPM. The secret consists of matching ads that your users would be interested on clicking. For example, if you have a website that provides information about mortgages, then you will prefer to have banners that link to financial institutions or low mortgage rates that your users will be interested on clicking. There is something contradictory about wanting your visitors to click on advertising links, because once they do, they leave your website and they may not come back. This is why you should provide your users with high-quality content to make sure that they do come back. Another popular option is CPC, or cost per conversion. Advertisers pay when a visitor on your website clicks on a banner and then buys a product or service on the advertiser's website. This option yields the highest revenue for you, but it is the most difficult to achieve, mainly because you need to carefully target visitors that have a credit card and that are willing to pay for a product or service online. Also, you need to choose advertisers that sell products and services that are likely to be purchased by your visitors. It is difficult to say which advertiser's option would provide the highest revenue for you. Usually, most websites experiment with each at the same time for a while, and then, based on the results, they choose one or continue to use a combination of them. I'm Luis Estrada, and I've just showed you how to make money with your websites.